Men over 60, let me ask you a simple question. Are your legs and back starting to feel weaker? Do you notice yourself gripping the armrest just to stand up from a chair? Maybe you avoid stairs or you feel unsteady when walking. Here's the hidden truth that most people never tell you. Weakness in your legs and loss of balance aren't just normal signs of aging. They're warning signs. Warning signs that your circulation, your muscles, and even your nutrition are slipping away quietly. But here's the good news. With the right foods and a handful of simple chair exercises you can do at home, in as little as 10 to 15 minutes per day, you can rebuild strength, restore energy, and regain confidence in your body. Today, I'm going to show you the hidden causes of weakness after 60, the specific foods that improve blood flow and muscle repair, and a step-by-step routine of chair exercises you can start today, right in your living room. No gym required. Stick with me until the very end, because I'll share the inspiring story of one of my 72-year-old patients who went from struggling to stand up to walking a mile every morning in just 8 weeks. Section 1. Why legs feel weaker after 60. First, let's uncover why this happens. After 60, 3 silent changes occur inside the body. Muscle loss, a condition called sarcopenia. By your 70s, you may have lost up to 25% of your muscle mass if you're not actively rebuilding it. Poor circulation. As arteries stiffen, less oxygen reaches your legs, making them heavy and tired. Nerve changes. Especially if you have diabetes or low vitamin B12, your nerves may not fire signals to your muscles as effectively. The result? You feel slower, shakier, and sometimes even afraid of falling. But the solution doesn't start in the gym. It starts in your kitchen. Section 2. The role of diet. Your diet plays a bigger role in muscle strength than most people realize. Think of your muscles like the engine of your car. Without the right fuel, protein, minerals, circulation boosters, no amount of exercise will work properly. Before I share the chair exercises, let's talk about the 5 powerhouse foods I recommend to every man over 60 who wants stronger legs. Section 3. 5 foods that improve blood flow and muscle function. Food number 1. Beets, the circulation booster. Beets are rich in nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. This widens blood vessels and delivers oxygen directly to your leg muscles. In one study, seniors who drank beet juice walked 19% faster and reported less fatigue within a single week. Tip: drink half a cup of beet juice in the morning or roast fresh beets with olive oil. Food number 2. Salmon. The muscle protector wild salmon contains omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D. These reduce inflammation in muscles and joints and improve recovery. A 68-year-old patient of mine added salmon twice a week. Within 6 weeks, his knee pain dropped by half and he was able to climb stairs without stopping. Food number 3. Lentils. The steady energy source lentils provide plant protein plus magnesium and potassium. These minerals prevent leg cramps and help your muscles contract smoothly. Cooked with garlic or turmeric, lentils become a powerful anti-inflammatory meal that feeds both your muscles and your gut bacteria, which also supports strength. Food number 4. Pumpkin seeds. The magnesium miracle. Just 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds can provide nearly all the magnesium you need for the day. Magnesium deficiency is one of the most overlooked causes of leg weakness and nighttime cramps in seniors. Snack on them raw or sprinkle on oatmeal. Food number 5. Cottage cheese. The overnight repair food. Cottage cheese is rich in casein, a slow-digesting protein. Eating it before bed feeds your muscles all night long while you sleep. This prevents the overnight muscle breakdown that accelerates. After age 60, I often recommend one small bowl with berries before bed. Section 4. Success Story. Now let me share a quick story. John, age 72, came to me worried.
He said, "Doctor, I can't get out of a chair without pushing myself up with both arms.
My legs feel like they're not mine anymore." We adjusted his diet, adding beets, salmon, and cottage cheese, and combined it with a simple 15-minute chair exercise routine. At first, he struggled to do even 5 sit-to-stands from his chair. But we kept at it, slowly increasing. 8 weeks later, John walked briskly into my office. No cane, no arm support, and proudly told me, "I can walk my dog again every morning. I feel 10 years younger. That transformation is possible for you too." Section 5. Chair exercises for seniors at home. Alright, now let's get practical. Here are 5 chair exercises designed specifically for seniors to do at home. All you need is a sturdy chair, placed against a wall for safety. Exercise 1. Seated marching. Sit tall in your chair. Lift one knee, then the other, as if you're marching. Do this for 30 seconds. This improves circulation and warms up your hip flexors. Exercise 2. Seated leg extensions. Sit with your back straight. Extend one leg until it's straight out. Hold for 2 seconds, then lower. Alternate legs, 10 reps each. Strengthens your quadriceps, the main muscles for standing and walking. Exercise 3. Sit to stand. Start seated, feet flat on the floor. Cross your arms over your chest. Stand up slowly, then sit back down gently. Repeat 5 to 10 times. This is the single most important exercise for maintaining independence. Exercise 4. Seated side leg lift. Sit tall. Hands on the chair for support. Lift one leg out to the side. Hold for 2 seconds, then lower. Do 8 reps per side. This strengthens your hip muscles. Critical for balance and preventing falls. Exercise 5. Seated arm press with resistance band. Place a resistance band under the chair. Hold the ends and press your arms upward like a shoulder press. Do 8 to 12 reps. Strengthens upper body so you can push up from chairs and maintain posture. Do this routine 3 to 4 times per week. Start slow. Even 5 minutes is progress. Over time, aim for 15 minutes per session. Men, let me say this clearly. Weak legs are not your destiny after 60, they're a signal. A signal that your body is asking for attention, nutrition, and movement. When you combine the right foods, beets for circulation, salmon for repair, lentils for energy, pumpkin seeds for minerals, and cottage cheese for overnight recovery, with these simple chair exercises, you're not just fighting weakness. You're protecting your independence, your confidence, and your freedom. I've seen too many men ignore the warning signs, only to end up in rehab after a fall. Don't let that be you. Start today. Choose one food from this list to add to your meals. Try just one chair exercise this evening while watching TV. Small steps lead to big changes. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs stronger legs. And before you go, comment below, which of these chair exercises will you try first? I read every single comment, and I'd love to cheer you on personally. Your journey to strength, stability, and confidence starts today. Let's do this together.